Who wants to go strawberry picking?
Me. Me.
Who's going to pick the biggest strawberry?
Me. Don't get me. Hi girls, are you ready to go strawberry picking? Yes. Alright, let's go. Yeah.
Gotta wait for the tractor.
Oh. I just sneezed 2 times.
Congratulations.
Ellie, are you excited? Yes. Ah, look it. Say hi. Stay right here. Wait. Oh, there's no hay.
Yeah, no hay. There's chairs. Or benches. Last year they had chairs.
Ready to go? Who's excited? Me. Okay, here we're starting to go. Whoa! Whoa, man! That was bumpy. It is so bumpy.
Yeah, trying to hold this steady is not going to be very successful.
Okay, let me take Whoa! Whoa! Hey, girl, look at me. Woo!
Ellie, look over here.
Look at mommy. Look at me. Look at me, everybody.
Look at Krista.
Look right here. At me, not Bonnie.
Whoa. There's a big...
Go, 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 go.
Whoa.
An adventure flying with the cat in the hat. Today. No, no, don't touch it. Let me show you what show her what a good strawberry is like. That's a good one. Pick a good one, okay? Oh, that one's big and juicy. Addie, show her. It has to be red.
And no soft spots.
And no soft spots. Not on the ground, only on the vine.
Are you looking at them first, Ad, and make sure they're not all icky? Spiders?
Them under the sign and take a video with them. Okay, butt to butt and like this. Nice and slow. Like this.
I don't know if you're doing it right. Let me see. How you do it? Let me see. Yeah, it looks similar.